a bit different, so I just decided to go to Kamukunji. 250. So this is what I got from Marikiti. Oh, good morning. So I'm in town, and yeah, I was asleep. I was definitely very exhausted, and I didn't want to leave the house late because I knew there would be traffic, so I came and slept in the car. Gosh, because of how exhausted I was. So now I want to go drop the bag at the shop and then go to Kamukunji. Hopefully that's the plan, honestly. But I will not be going to the down Kamukunji. I'll just go to the upper one, because there is also a few things that I need from there. So I'll probably go to Alphabees or Best 9 supermarket. Yeah, and then there's another shop there along the Boys Road that I need to pick. What is that? Or to buy containers. As I said, I made hand wash and Harpic. I need to put them some. No, Harpic I did get somewhere to put, so it's hand wash only. No, Harpic now, the ones for pouring inside the toilet. That one, that's what I need. Yeah. And then what else? I am not quite sure if there's anything else. And then maybe make a call to Marikiti, because I know it's gonna be muddy, so I'm not going. I'll just send the guys to bring me the stuff later on in the evening. They buy, keep, and then when I'm almost going home, they bring to Patane upper parking, and then they give me niende nazo hivyo. Yeah, that's my plan. So have a good day. Let me see you later. So from Marikiti, this is what I got. So this is what I got from Marikiti. Today's very expensive. 100 pineapples, nyanya 6 kgs at around 500. Mint leaves, that is the cheapest that I got. 20 bob, not bad. I want to make pineapple and mint juice. And then I got 20 kgs onions, 1,000. How many? 6 maize at 6 maize, how much? 200. A watermelon for 190, and a cabbage, very big and heavy. A cabbage for 150. Things are very, very expensive right now. Yeah, all right, back to my Kamukunji haul. So guys, I'm back home, and I wanted to show you what I got. And also, I didn't manage to do my hair, so I have an appointment tomorrow in the morning to do the hair and the nails. But before that, let me show you what I got from Kamukunji. It's raining, so I got my kids 2 umbrellas. There's this pink and there's a lighter pink. This one is for Laila and the other one is for Kyla. She has it, I don't know where she has kept it. And then I got myself this one because I can't find mine. So I got a black one looking like this. This can fit inside the bag. So I'm glad. The kids' umbrellas were going for 200 bob. This one was going for 380. And apparently that's the wholesale price. So next up I got socks, and I got these socks for Kyla. They almost look the same, but they are really good quality. They are very pretty, very, very nice. But the thing is, they were going for 280 bob, but the smaller ones were going for 250. So these ones are all the same. Well, close to the same thing. There are 2 designs, but they are 4 for each. As you can see, these designs are a bit different. So is the other one. So I got these ones for Tyler, and this one's for Lila. These ones have more pinks, but again, 6 designs look the same. 6 designs, well, this is 3, these are 3, these are 3, these are 3, so 6 make a dozen. Now in that shop you cannot buy if it's not wholesale, so it has to be wholesale, and they do not remove like you take 6, you have to take a whole packet. I didn't have a problem with that. And then I got this towel for my nanny. Now the socks, I've said the prices, and then the towel was 250. I had gone to Gikomba a few last week on a weekend, but second-hand towels, I didn't think they would be that pricey because I was being told at 500, 600. So I just decided to go to Kamukunji and get a new towel. So this one was 250 for my nanny. And then I got these 2 bottles. You know me and my love for bottles. The other ones have already started breaking apart, so I just decided to get my kids this one. They look so pretty in person, and they are very small. They are quite small, so these are the bottles. They look really nice, and they have a straw and a sticker, same as the ones that I ship. These are the stickers that they come with. So you stick these ones to your bottle. And then I got a bigger one. So this one, this is how this looks like. So I got for me this one. I think I'll never get enough of water bottles because I think they are pretty. So this one comes with so many things on the inside. It has a sticker which I can't remove. Oh, here it is. So the sticker looks like this, and it has some more cute things. So it has this very cute, I don't know what to call them, like teddies or something of the sort. Yeah, and of course now the straw. On a more serious note, I love this chopping board. I've been meaning to get these pizza chopping boards. They are bamboo boards, but this is very light. I have seen more in what's that shop called, Best 9 Supermarket, and they are, I think, heavier than this. But I got this one. It's not very bad, and I love it. It's gonna just sit there on top because I'm not thinking of cutting anything on this chopping board, honestly. So that's really nice. And then, as I had said, I can't. I was told that my oil bottle broke, so I had to buy a new one. And this is what I thought would work for now because I'm shipping some more bottles. So that's what I'm just gonna wait on. But this bottle looks like this, really cute. I love it. But I do not love this top part because it tends to, this gold part tends to peel the gold, and it does look really bad. So you see, but it's really cute, to be honest. Yeah, I love this purchase. This one was going for 400. The bottle, the big one, was going for 600. The smaller ones were going for 400. And I got this because mine, they may bit honestly. So I got these ones for 200 bob each. And the place to buy towels, maybe you can screenshot. This is it. You can call the number and maybe deliver to you, but this is where you can get the things that I got. And so for these kits, I'm gonna show you in my next video because I do not have them here with me. But yeah, cheers. Thank you so much guys for watching, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't, like and comment if you also haven't, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers guys, bye. Before I forget, here is an up close of how the bottles look like with the stickers on, but eventually those two teddies came off or came out, but the kids bottles still have the stickers on up until now. I stuck them immediately I finished doing the video, and here is the result of that. So thank you so much guys, bye.